Hello guys, today we are hitting back, biceps and rear delts. First exercise warm up, pull ups for 3 sets, as many reps as possible. Slow and control, full range of motion. अब barbell row, this is our main exercise. Bread and butter of back workout. As much I will try to go as parallel as possible to the floor. Full squeeze, full stretch, keeping your chest up at all times. Thumbless grip, hip hinge, chest up, full stretch, squeeze, full stretch, squeeze. Lat prayers, यसमा पनि will focus, full range of motion, full stretch, full contraction, and एकदमै slow. Okay, and this is one of the most important exercise for wide lats. Full stretch, big chest, slow negative, big chest. This is our last exercise, back को लागि. यसमा पनि गर्दियौँ हेभी स्ट्र्याप युज गर्नुपर्छ अन्त ग्रिप फेल हुन्छ ब्याकको दिनमा चाहिँ स्ट्र्याप एकदमै नेसेसरी अनि थम्बलेस ग्रिप नर्मली फुट प्लेसमेन्ट चाहिँ यहाँ हो तर मलाई चाहिँ यहाँ राखेर अझै फुल स्ट्रेच हुन्छ फुल स्ट्रेच बिग चेस्ट फुल स्क्विज squeeze, big stretch, full squeeze, big chest. Workout finished. अब एउटा आइटम हामी रियर डेल्ट्सको गर्छौँ त्यसपछि बाइसेप्सको मेबी 1 or 2 आइटम्स